Hey everyone, it's me, Eric Kimball. It is a beautiful, quiet, calm, sunny, warm June morning. This is a great time to be out in the garden, and I'm out here hoeing my potatoes, as you've seen. The rains came for a few days. It was cold, and potatoes don't mind the cold. They're looking really good. These potatoes are planted, as I showed in a previous video, using the pre-industrial mound approach, and I'm liking this. I came home last night from a family Father's Day party, and I realized the soil, after all that rain, had dried up enough that I could wheel hoe and cultivate around these hills, and that's what I did last night. So this morning, the soil is soft and crumbly, and that's what you want your hills to be. You want them to be nice, soft soil. And I want big hills around here because that's where the potatoes go, into the hills, of course. So this is a perfect job for this morning. I've done this row. What I did is I went down one side and hoed up, and then I went down the other side and hoed up instead of going around and around and around. And that seems to work pretty well. I'm not seeing any potato bugs yet. If I start seeing the bugs, I'll squish them by hand, but I expect perhaps they'll get ahead of me, and I do have a organic insecticide. I'm not playing games with potato bugs this year. I want potatoes, and I'll get potatoes, and those bugs won't stop me. Yeah, that's about it, really. I just want to check in with everyone, let you know that the garden's doing pretty well. Now that the sun shines out, it ought to do exceptionally well. That's what plants need. They need sun and warmth, not cold and rain. I've got some things I want to show you in the garden, but not in this video. I'm going to get that other row hoed up and get on with my day here, and I'll have another video tomorrow. I expect and hope, and Lord willing, I'll have another video tomorrow. Bye bye everybody.